having the Belzu. The Belzu phone is ready to serve now. Of course, my phone cannot. And my son here, and the camera, and I'm going to take a picture. There I go. So my Mother's Day, it's Mother's Day because it's May already. So it's draining off the glue because I got so many glue. And my phone is, I got a new last time phone. It's blue and it's broken, and what's this? How to delete it? Delete. So make it higher to know. And here's my friends, Jeremy and Polly, and my son Joey. And here it goes. The alarm and alarm tools, and you can see like this. Now just listen with this. And here it goes. The phone is quite blurred because it's I still don't have any SIM card, but it's really good. But there's no SIM card there. You can see no SIM card. You can make it silent if you want. And again. So this is Belzu. And thank you for watching from my Belzu phone. You can see. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.